Okay, fellow preppers, tis TheRumpledOne. I'm back, part 2 of the grill stand build. Okay, I hope I got enough battery power. So I already cut out the boards here. I think I want to put that one up front. And we'll put the small piece in the back. So, what I do is, I'll put one side on, like so. Then you have to, see, you measure from here up top, and then you cut these boards that distance. And that squares things up. And then you do the same thing on the back side. Get that nail started. Pull that in. And there you have it. And I leave a little space in between the boards, so because it's going to be out in the water, so you want the water to drain out. And I just eyeball the spacing. Close enough for government work, right? Now, the top, I don't nail. I screw down. Let's see. This was a iron board. This one went in here. Let's see. See, since part of this is going to get cut out, I want to put the worst looking pieces there. Okay. Now, I made the boards so they hang about 1/4 of an inch off the edge here. And I ran these through Mr. Bench saw. So, do that. And not quite. Third time's the charm. Okay. So now we need to screw it down. That looks a little too much, I think. That looks about right. Now, remember we're going to cut part of this out. So, we need to put the screws in right here along these support pieces. Don't like that piece. I think this is... Oh, I see what the problem is. We had a staple left in there. Okay, much better. Now, you know, I was watching another channel today, and they were talking about how much time it takes for them to do videos. I just shoot everything live, one take, no editing. I don't know, I think that lends certain realism to it. But I don't put in all those fancy titles and stuff. I just make the video as it is. I think that looks better. That side. I might sand these boards down a bit. Let's see. Does the other side look better? Yeah, the other side looks better. that circle's going to get cut out, so that's why we have that brace there. Well, if you're ever using one of these and you miss and it hits right there, boy, does that hurt my head. Try not to do that. Okay, now you got a workbench. Pretty simple, but we're making a grill bench, so we've got some more work to do. Hope I got enough battery. Yeah, looks like it's working. So, here's the trick. We turn the sucker upside down. Okay, then what we do is we take the top. It fits in there. Draw a circle around it. Okay, then what we'll do is we'll drill 3 holes. We'll use a little bit of our geometry or physics. Okay, so let's get this up off the ground. We'll drill some holes. And you drill the holes right where the line is. And you space them about 90 degrees apart. Okay, so we drilled the holes. Now we can set it back up. Stand it back up. Okay, now what we could do is, there's a couple of ways to do this. You could take and you draw a line through those holes and you find where the center is. Then what you do is you take the grill part and you put that there. The other way is you take the top here and you line it up where those four holes are, and you can draw a circle around here. Okay? And then what you want to do that's interesting. Is you draw a circle around here. Because you want to cut out the inside circle. Like so. So then you have to get Mr. Jigsaw. So, my new Ryobi jigsaw. But we can't just jigsaw, so what you have to do, I know some of you guys probably know this, but every now and then there's somebody that didn't grow up with the dad that taught him how to use tools and all the little tricks and things. So a couple of people have told me, you know, they appreciate me going through and explaining some of this stuff so they can, you know, be successful. Now, I put in a 3/8 bit and I want to cut to the inside of the line. Now this is a Harbor Freight drill. I got it in a 4-pack, I think. Or maybe I just bought it by itself. I don't remember, but I'm not too impressed with it. I prefer that Black & Decker. So now you can put Mr. Jigsaw to work. Just so you know, you have to have a wood blade and you want it on fast speed. Now, the important thing about cutting is speed and feed. So you want to have the blade moving fast, but you don't want to be moving the saw all that fast. That's the feed part. Feed it nice and easy. Let the saw do the work. You don't force it. Now, just so you know, there's another way you could cut this. You could use a router and then just spin it around, but I'm using the jigsaw. I've got the router, my new router, but I prefer using the jigsaw. So you see, now we got a hole. And you put this through one leg at a time. And there you have it. A grill table. So, I hope you see how that worked, how it went together. I hope I explained it well enough, and that's it. So don't be afraid to do it yourself. It's not that difficult. TheRumpledOne signing out.